Hello everybody, this is Darvish, Subject Specialist English. Today I'm here to make a new video for you, and the video is all about lecture number 40. Lecture number 40 is about the third type of subject. What is that? The third type of subject is pronoun as subject. Pronoun as subject. How a pronoun is used as subject. It is quite clear to us that pronoun is further divided into two types. What is that? The very first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. The second one is called interrogative pronoun. Now, how a personal pronoun is used and how an interrogative pronoun is used in place of subject. So it is quite clear to us that personal pronouns, they are further divided into three different subparts. What is that? First person, second person, and third person. First person is called the speaker, and the use of the speaker in place of subject is called personal pronoun as subject. What is that? I and we. I am a teacher. For example, I say I am a teacher. Here the word I is used as subject. Am a teacher is called predicate. So here I is used as subject. Instead of I, if I say we, if I give you another example of we, it is clear to us that when I say about we, that we are friends. Now here, we are concerned with this very sentence. We are friends. The use of we, this is called subject, and this subject is pronoun. This subject is pronoun. But what kind of pronoun is it? This is called personal pronoun as subject. So this is quite clear to us that pronoun as subject, the use of personal pronouns in place of subject in a sentence is called pronoun as subject. Now, second person is called listener, but this listener is used as in place of subject. How listener is used in place of subject? This is clear to us that if listener is used in place of subject like this. If I say, you want to visit Karachi. You want to visit Karachi. Here, you is used in place of subject, but this is called second person pronoun. While third is about third person pronoun. Third person pronoun, the examples for third person pronoun can be like this. He is a doctor. Here the word he is used in place of subject. So third person pronouns, they are he, she, it plus they. Now, they are my students. The word they is used in place of subject. This is called the use of personal pronoun in place of subject. Like this, we have the second type. What is the second type? The second type is interrogative pronoun. The use of interrogative pronoun in place of subject. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun like this, when I say about it, they interrogative pronoun. If I say about interrogative pronoun, for example, who, if I say what, if I say which, etc. These words are used in place of subject in some sentences, and the role of this interrogative pronoun is here as subject. For example, who kicked the ball? Here, who, we want to know about subject. So, who kicked the ball? What hit you on the way? on the road or on the way. So what hit you? A truck or anything like this. So here, which one do you like? Here it's a question, which one? But this which one is used in place of subject, like this a which you like is a variable. It means that here the word which is used. So which what? Which one you like is a variable. So this is called, the use of interrogative pronoun is subject. I hope you like this video. Please follow my channel, do subscribe it and do like it. Thank you all.